All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya welcomed former Minister Adolf Lu Hilter Marak, former State Vice President of BJP Meghalaya, David C.H. Marak, and former Joint Director, Department of Education, Bhupendra G. Momin, into the party fold. TMC State Vice President Zenith Sangma Chokpot MLA, Lazarus Sangma, and Richard M. Marak West Garo Hills convener inducted the new members at Tura on August 25th. Inducting the new members into the party fold, Zenith Sangma said, "Today, we are happy to witness that a senior leader has decided to join Meghalaya TMC. Adolf Lu Hitler Marak had the privilege to serve the people of Meghalaya in different capacities as the Forest and Environment Minister and for 3 terms as a member of the Legislative Assembly. We also have with us Mr. David C.H. Marak and Mr. Bhupendra Ji Momin, who had also served the people of Meghalaya with full integrity. We welcome them with open arms to work for the betterment of the state," he said.
Hitler at the President join Kani, blowing at Sner Partina, Arantini, at Kasona Blongen, that Chapian again, or Jatkura Dona, Ya Rakeka Bajat Kaksam to Liroma, Unboxana, David Shet Shama, at Moxa, Chesmara, former Neutral Development Program Libyan, the Little Watcham, Absana can be a former State by President BJP Niba. Mantela Sir, as well, the Tamanser Taxo, Aro. Ya parti na aro maksa Bhupendra G. Momin jan joint director Bokacam education department ni sir na kubat sangat jakswa tentang macam ya biampona mana na tuni tiga parti kam kani tina belum kan kusi kata dalam tentang maksa tiga perang former MLA aro former MDC aro blok parti tiga perang tengah suko gis katong ni tini parti na jakswa maksa na tengah na simuni tak cakap contribution or na simuni tak macam kam kan jatuh na rabon yang gen aro dalu mengi po posan kon ke aso mo may yung yetsam sa sung kani kon ke bisung ang tumak sa join ka aha aro na suni kam kani ajak jat kemuk na Meghalaya na rasung ko rabagen aro dalu son yason uja baka mandira bisung baksa na bo join ka inga yan ang tina party tang macam jinga rabi ni ko sabrumani yung ichong ba dalu black ko party baksa join kana ka antini leader ang join ka aha andi man tentang macam ni jakswani kata ko rasung nak mas
former MLAs and present, then dignitaries, party dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today I am very happy to join with the TMC because I have found out that the state is lacking behind a good leadership or a quality leadership, where we need a good leadership to develop social economic development structure. Well, we don't have now. So, as the days goes by, if we compare with the other states, I have found that we are going very slow, very slow, and disproportionate or unproportionate to the expenditure that the government is incurring for development of our state. This is one of the reasons why I joined, so that I may be able to get some help with the party to develop our socio-economic of the state in general and Garo Hills in particular. So this is another reason. Now, when we compare with the other states, as I said, our development is very slow. In spite of being the under 6 schedule, some of the land has been transferred somewhere else. In almost in every department, I should say, they are having a problem in the present government. Why it is so? Why it was not? Those are the questions that one may arise. Even up to the, especially in Garo Hills, the price hike of everything, right from meat, vegetable, up to the ready-made materials like steel, iron, and if you go to Bengal, we'll get it very cheap. Say we may get it 50 rupees, whereas in Garo Hills, we never see 50 paisa now, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Everything is going to start from 50 rupees. Why this? Is it our Garo Hills is so rich, not even in Shillong. It's not that costly as in Garo Hills. So these are the things that we, not only the Garos, but then all together, we have to fight it out with the government. When government is going against the will of the people, naturally the trouble starts in any country. So that we should work out properly with a quality leadership, and those who have put a quality leadership, they always lead the country and each people to a betterment for tomorrow. So these are the reasons, a few reasons that I have read that changed. Thank you very much.